Hello! Today I will show you how I separate my photos from my video files using a built-in tool in Windows called Robocopy. My name is PA and welcome to my channel. As a content creator, I take a lot of photos and I shoot a lot of videos, and I prefer to keep my photos in one place and my videos in another. One way to do this is by using Explorer to select the video files and drag and drop them. However, this can be a tedious and messy task, especially when dealing with multiple folders. A better and quicker way is to use Robocopy. Robocopy is a command line tool that stands for Robust File Copy, and it's designed for file backups. It's also perfect for tasks like this. One great feature is the ability to move or copy files by file extension while preserving the folder structure. The program has a lot of options and can perform quite complex tasks. But for the sake of this video, we will keep it simple. In this scenario, the files are stored in subfolders named by date on the C:\photos. I want to move my video files to F:\videos and maintain the folder structure within the subfolders. To do this, I use the following command: Robocopy C:\photos F:\videos *mp4 /s /mov /a:/sh and /l. Let's break down the command. Robocopy. This is the command used to copy files and directories in Windows. C:\photos. This is the source directory where the files are located. In this case, it's the photos folder on the C drive. F:\videos. This is the destination directory where the files will be copied. Here it's the videos folder on the F drive. *.mp4. This specifies the file type to be copied. The wildcard asterisk means it will include all files with the mp4 extension. /s. This switch tells Robocopy to include subdirectories in the copy process, but only those that contain files. Empty folders are excluded, and folders without mp4 files will not be affected at all. /mov. This switch tells Robocopy to move the files from the source to the destination, deleting them from the source after copying. /a:/sh. This switch tells Robocopy to remove the system and hidden attributes from the files being copied, ensuring they are visible in the destination folder, which sometimes can be an issue and quite scary when you don't know what happened. /l. This switch runs the command in list-only mode. It means Robocopy will show you what files would be copied or moved without actually performing the operation. This is useful for verifying the command before executing it. It's a dry run. And as we can see here, 38 files will be copied and 5 directories will be created. And now that we have verified that everything works as expected, we print the same command again, this time removing the /l switch. You can use the up and down arrows on your keyboard to browse previous commands, so let's do that. Press backspace to remove /l and then press enter. All we have to do now is to lean back and let Robocopy do the work for us. As we can see, everything worked perfectly and we are happy. I hope you found the value in this video. If you did, please leave a like, a comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye.